Hello friends, welcome back. If you deal with any item that is sensitive to atmospheric humidity, then today's video will definitely be helpful to you. So personally, I deal with few lenses which are quite costly, and recently I saw some fungus on them. Since I am in Visakhapatnam in India, which is nearby the sea, there is almost always excessive humidity in the atmosphere, ranging from 70 to almost 100%. So in such high humidity, usually camera lenses, medicines and some food items do get spoiled very fast. So I purchased the dry cabinet, brand name is Heniso, from Amazon India website. There are various sizes available for this company's cabinets. The one I ordered is 21 liters and this is enough for my usage. This is the smallest one available on Amazon from this particular brand. So as you would have seen from the intro, the cabinet consists of a glass door. Now whenever you order something from online with a glass item, you need to know how is the packing. So let me show you the packing in which the company sent me. So the company took great care in sending the product across. It came with a wooden box, and inside the wooden box there was a solid hard carton box, and within that there were multiple solid thermocols which were protecting the cabinet. So the cabinet was completely safely delivered, but even then a small humidity indicator got cracked as it was lying around inside the cabinet and not on the actual place. I contacted the manufacturer, and instead of refunding the whole cabinet, I just asked for the replacement part and they promptly sent me just the replacement part. So I just wanted to point out this gesture by the manufacturer, which provides peace of mind in dealing with such items. Now coming to the product per se, the item is made with some kind of solid metal and it is powder coated. The paint quality is extremely good and the cabinet is also very solidly built. The front element has a glass door. The border of the glass is painted with bronze color and this gives a nice accent to the total cabinet. On the glass door you can find a lock also to store your valuable items. The company provides 2 keys with this lock. And on the right top corner you can see there is a place for the digital meter which shows you temperature of the room or the cabinet and the total humidity levels. Since this is an electrical humidifier, this is also supplied by a adapter which powers the dehumidifier inside. The adapter has a green LED while working and it is a 5V 2A adapter. And the total power consumption rated on this cabinet is around less than 8 watts, which is again very reasonable since the cabinet needs to be connected always to the power outlet. Now if you see inside, you can see the dehumidifier. There is a control knob with which you can set the desired humidity levels. There is also a visual indicator LED which gives the intensity of the humidifier selected. Now with the specifications out of the way, now I'll show you how much space is there in this 21 liter cabinet. So first let me put my Sony A7 Mark III full frame camera with a attached 35mm lens. Next up is the 85mm Sony lens. Again this is a full frame lens for the E-mount. Now the last lens is slightly bigger. This is the Tamron 2875 f2.8 lens and this is the lens which had the fungus developing on it. So once all the 3 items are inside the cabinet, you can see there is still enough space to put more items or more lenses into the cabinet. So this will give you a rough idea of what to expect and how much to expect for this cabinet. So in regular usage, I found that once you connect to the power outlet, the dehumidifier chamber takes around 1 to 1.5 hours to achieve the desired set humidity levels. And if there is a power failure, the humidity achieves the atmospheric humidity levels within around half an hour to 1 hour. So as I said, this always needs to be connected to the power outlet and the rated capacity is around 8 watts. So overall, if you are planning to get a dehumidifier cabinet, then this is a very good choice. I'm extremely happy with the build quality, the color coating and the glass quality of this dehumidifier chamber. This comes with a 5 years warranty and my initial interaction with the manufacturer has been very good. I'll be putting the link of this dehumidifier chamber in the description box below, and overall I'll fully recommend this chamber. So if this video was helpful to you, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I have put my Instagram and Twitter account links in the description. Do follow me there and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.